Hello, my name is Hailu Kebada. I'm trying to show the project I created on this video. Here is the project I created using the Visual Studio 2019 and using the sampler resource, and as well as it was connected with a database management studio, SQL management studio. And on the first, when I built this, the package was using the SSIS, created a change to the lesson one as look like the tutorial, and the connection also, the file manager and all the menus, everything was according to the tutorials scan. And this is all the flow of data flow. Every step was done accordingly. And let me show whether everything is properly working or not. Let me start debugging. Okay, here the upper one is right, and everything goes right here also normal. And so let me back to the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Let me go to on the adventure work that was 2012. Let me expand the table. Whether the table was created or not, we create the fact currency classes. This right here, and under the this table we I need to show the column parties as it is the average rate, dates, end of the date rate, currency key, and date key was the column created through the project and from the process. Thank you.